For the start, imagine that we have planned our project in a project planning tool like MS Project. Here you can see the list of my tasks that are defined for different departments. Here you can see the duration, start, end, person complete of each task, resources assigned to each task, and the Gantt chart. In Engineering Base, I have a project. I have an equipment folder, including all the physical devices. I have a functions folder, including logical structure of my plant. And I have a documents folder, including all my documents, including process, EINC, hydraulic, patterns, reports, and templates. Then here in the project control panel, in the tab of MS Project, we have the same tasks in the MS Project. So this tool is completely integrated with MS Project. You can see the same tasks, duration, start, end, priority, person complete. Note, whenever you want, you can update it from MS Project. This is the path of MS Project. This is the name of the project, and this is the project start and end time. So, in order to start the design of the plant, as a project manager, I go to the Documents folder, Process folder, Block diagram, and then I will open my block diagram. Then I go to the Functions folder, line B, this is my plant, and then Solvent Recovery section, and then the Distillation column, and now I want my process engineer to start working on this new block. So I will place the block on the block diagram. I will connect it to the other blocks. And then I will go to the project control panel and I will create a new task for my process engineer. I will assign it to the department of process. I will attach it to the task of process design from MS Project. And I will say that this task is 5% of the major task. You can see that the total person left is 90%. I will assign it to the user process engineer A. The state of the task is new. The due date can be end of next week. The quality check person can be project manager. And the task type is task with attached items, because I want to attach this column to the task. So I go here, select the item, and I will attach the item to the task, and I will create a task. So for the purpose of presentation, now I go to the resources and I will change my role to process engineer A. And you can see that as soon as I change my role, I get a new message from Windows that I have a new task from Engineering Base. So if I go to the dashboard, I can see that I have a new task. I can accept the task, request more info, reject it, view statistics of the task. So there are 5 steps inside the task and 0% is finished. And I can navigate and I can modify the task. Here on the right side, you can see the funnel of the tasks based on the due dates. Here you can see the statistics of the tasks, which are in progress, new, or more info. And then here you can see the statistics of the tasks, which are assigned to different people. So I will accept the task, and then I go to my tasks list. Here is the task. I can double click and see the specifications of the task. And here is an attachment of the task. So if I close this tree and I double click, then it will be navigated automatically to the task. And these are the steps that I have to follow.